and welcome. We're so glad to have all of you here. This is a special day for us here at MROC. We have worked long and hard. This is almost a year to the day that in San Antonio, Texas, myself and Ron were sitting in a restaurant. We were attending a trade show when the idea for MSI was hatched. And it's, the idea came about just sitting, eating, watching, looking at some tile on the wall and thinking about how they did the tile and how we could apply it to some of the things we did. And in just a matter of minutes, the idea had come and presented itself, and we were off and running. That's a moment I think I'll always remember, because it was one of those moments when you have that idea that you know it's what kind of idea it is and what it can do. So a year later, this is our setup. We just got back from Washington, D.C., and we sent our very capable crew up to D.C. to unveil our product. And what you see around us is a year in the making. We started this product, say an idea, and that's an interesting thought when you say it doesn't exist. It only exists in a thought. And to take a thought and to turn it into this is quite a challenge. And it's a challenge that takes a lot of good people. And we had a lot of good people here working. We've had meetings. A lot of you sat in on meetings, from brother-in-laws to bankers to insurance guys to GVDC guys to all sorts of individuals who have given us their time and their energy and their intellect that has helped progress this product along from in the process of preparing for this meeting. I've seen prototypes from where this thing started. Some of them fairly comical, but they started from that idea and they progressed to this functional piece. It's been a fun ride. It's been one of those experiences that we hope we will always remember as a positive experience. So far, so good. We're pleased to present MSI, and we're pleased that this group of people, which is what I expected. This is people that are close to us and our local group of individuals that all seem to have a hand in what we do. I think everybody here, every face that I look at, has a big piece of this company with them and has done lots to it and for it. All the faces that I see. This company started in 2003 with the same idea of MSI, but to say it was me or that I accomplished this is silly. This was accomplished by so many and so many great people. And also the other exciting thing is not only the people that have helped pull this off, but to do it where we've done it. We're proud of Made in West Virginia. We're proud of the rural community that we do this in. It thrills me to go to a place like D.C. and shine, and to go to these cities and these places, these Atlantas and Miamis, and see our product that's manufactured here in West Virginia, and not just West Virginia, but very rural West Virginia. We and I especially enjoy the thought that country boys can go out here and perform on real high corporate levels. And we do it. We perform with Lowe's. We perform with any of these companies that are what I would consider big hitters, and we manage to pull it off day in and day out. So thank you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for all that you've done for us, and stick with us, because we've got a company that's up and coming, and we know what we've got, and we're going to need a lot more help. This thing has got a long ways to go, and really a lot of the challenges that we face so far are in a lot of ways small compared to what we have to face now. The growth of this company over the next year or two is some of the biggest challenges that this company will face. And so we're going to need lots of attention on what we're doing and how we perform from here on out. So cookies over here, drinks over here. Ron, Megan, you guys come up here for a second. I want to do an official cutting of the ribbon, and we're doing this as a somewhat of a ceremony, and it's kind of silly, but we want to say go. So this is the official launch of MSI, and I'm so thrilled to do this. So thrilled. So there we go.